Hey, future 2D, 3D, AI, whatever it's called, it's coming soon. This is my channel and I'm here to share a little something I've been working on. I had a sudden realization. My entire career has been building toward this moment. Ever since I was a child, drawing pictures for my amusement all the way through school, learning about animation and filmmaking, moving to LA and making shorts. Starting a channel, collaborating with amazing artists and studios, releasing open-source software teaching thousands of students, writing books, and now producing original animated series. Every experience has prepared me for this next chapter. For years, I've spoken about the future of animation. What's coming, what's changing, what's possible. And over the next few minutes, I want to share with you some thoughts based on everything I've seen, heard, felt, and experienced. Before we dive in, let me say this. As incredible as the future of animation will be, it already exists. Today, we can draw anywhere, anytime. We can publish our work to be seen by anyone. We can collaborate with others regardless of location. We can learn new skills through online courses and communities. If you're watching this and thinking, wow, the future of animation is amazing, well, you're right, it is. But you're also experiencing it right now. Everything I'll discuss has already started. It's growing, evolving, and will only continue to thrive. With that said, let's explore 6 trends I believe will define the future of animation, starting with number 1, the rise of AI-driven animation. While I have yet to see a fully AI-generated animated film or series, the tools that we use are rapidly evolving. Software is being developed that allows an artist to sketch on a tablet while an AI program instantly converts it into fully rendered 3D animation. AI isn't replacing animators, but it may become the brush that lets us paint on a larger canvas than ever before. No. 2. The return of 2D with a twist. 2D animation isn't dead. In fact, it's thriving. For example, Netflix's Love, Death and Robots pushes the boundaries of adult animation by blending the charm of traditional hand-drawn art with modern 3D rendering. Each episode is a masterclass in blending nostalgia and futurism with state-of-the-art techniques and a variety of styles. Number 3. Interactive and immersive storytelling. Animation is no longer confined to the screen. Virtual reality and augmented reality are turning viewers into participants. Soon, you won't just watch your favorite animated world. You'll step inside it, speak with its characters, and shape the story as it unfolds. Number 4. Global voices and cultural fusion. Another powerful shift is happening behind the scenes: global collaboration. Animation in 2026 is more diverse than ever. Creators from every corner of the world are contributing their cultural stories, art styles, and mythologies. The result is a tapestry of voices that redefines what mainstream animation looks like. Number 5. The short-form revolution. Attention spans are shrinking, but creativity is exploding. In 2026, short-form animated content is thriving across social media platforms. Animators can now reach millions with a 30-second clip. Just imagine how much impact an hour-long special can have. And finally, number 6, hyper-realism vs. stylization. One of the most exciting battles in animation today is between photorealistic digital humans and bold, exaggerated stylization. Willis in The Wind, for example, blends photorealism with artistic stylization to create a unique visual experience. As we move toward 2026 and beyond, I believe the biggest trend of all is not a style or a tool, but the endless power of imagination. The future of animation isn't about machines replacing humans or old techniques being forgotten. It's about a fusion where technology and creativity unite to tell stories in ways we've never imagined. So, what does this mean for you? Let me put it simply. Whatever your background, whatever your skill level, whatever your goals, the future of animation is yours to create. You don't have to wait for anything or anyone. The only person holding you back is yourself. So, grab a sketchbook, download some apps, find inspiration, tell a story, make it move, share it with the world. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for recognition. Don't wait for anything or anyone. The future of animation has already begun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to create. Make sure to subscribe for more updates. Thank you for everything, and see you in the next one.